How to turn on or off haptic feedback on your Android device. Hello everyone and welcome to TikToks. If you continuously feel vibration on your device whenever you click on something or respond to something, then your haptic feedback is turned on. But how to turn it off? So to do this, first thing first, open your settings app. Now scroll down until you find sound and vibration and then tap on it. Now again scroll down all the way to bottom and then here you will find haptic feedback. So for now on my device it is turned off. So if you want to turn it on, simply tap on it. Or else if you want to turn it off, tap on it again. Once it is turned on, you can also change the intensity on your device. To do this, simply adjust this slider accordingly. If you can't find haptic feedback here, then simply go back to settings and then scroll down all the way to up. Now tap on the search box and then type haptic feedback. So once you find haptic feedback, simply tap on it and then turn it on or off according to your choice. So this is how you can enable or disable haptic feedback on your Android device. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.